Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes SSL certificate error on Windows 11. Fix it fast. First step is change date and time settings. Second step is change Internet options settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.